Hey guys, welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady, and today we're going to talk all about co-ops. So, the question is, what is a co-op? Well, let's see if I can make it plain. It is a corporation that owns the entire building and there is one deed. So you, as the investor, have the exclusive rights to occupy that unit. And that unit, again, is for owner occupants only. Does it have to be your primary? No, it can be a second home or whatever, but it has to be an owner occupied. You are not allowed to rent out co-op space. So I hope you understood that. It's a mouthful. Can it be financed? The question is, yes, it can. Now, there are different lenders that each building has in order to go forward with the approval process, and I'll get to that in a second. Typically, they're looking at 20 to 25% down for that type of mortgage in order to move forward, and the approval process is a little bit different. Typically, in any buy or sell situation, buyer and seller come to terms, and you're under contract, and only thing in the way is home inspection and financing, and then you continue to move forward. With this, it's different. There's actually an application that you fill out, and they're going to look at your finances, and this application actually goes to the board, and they're going to review you to see if they want to move forward with you as an investor in that building. So that pretty much sums it up. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady.